Are you facing the issue where WhatsApp profile picture is not showing on other devices? Don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how you can fix this WhatsApp profile picture not showing problem while using your iPhone. This is a very quick and easy solution. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check your WhatsApp privacy settings. Open WhatsApp, tap on Settings. After that, tap on Privacy. Here, you can see the profile picture option. Tap on it. Then tap on Everyone. Now go back and check if your problem is fixed or not. Solution 2. Update your WhatsApp app. Open the App Store, search WhatsApp. If you find any updates available, then tap on Update. Now open the WhatsApp app. After that, check whether your problem is solved or not. If you still have the issue, then try our last solution. Solution 3. Offload the WhatsApp app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Tap on the Offload the app button and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app and check whether your problem is solved or not. So, this is how you can solve the WhatsApp profile picture not showing problem on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.